Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. I am going to show you what is in the January 2023 Whiff Box. Is this right set up? Yes, it is. If you are not familiar with our Whiff Box, it is a subscription box. You can just go on my website and order it, or you can subscribe to Scentsy Club and have it delivered in 1, 2, or 3 month time frames. It is full-size products, so you're not going to have all just samples. There will be samples in here, but all the product in here is going to be full-size. You can get this at 10% off with Scentsy Club, because this is $30, because at the $30 mark, you get 10% off. If you have a $60 Scentsy Club order, you get a half-off item, and that half-off is the only way to get this Whiff Box at half-off. So if you are a Scentsy Club subscriber and are interested in a Whiff Box, I highly suggest adding one or getting one at half off. It is $30, like I said, but it's worth way more than $30. All right, let's see what's inside January's box. So it comes with this little insert here. Then we have, there is some items in here that are not even available, not even in the catalog when it comes to scent-wise. And right off the bat, we have our hand soap in Just Breathe. Just Breathe is not even in the catalog. It was discontinued at the end of the last catalog. Hopefully it'll be back in the new one. But you cannot get Just Breathe right now. So my family is going to be excited about this because this is one of their favorite scents. We have a hand cream in Starburst Sky. This is one of the Valentine's Day scents. We have a wax bar, banana leaf, and bamboo. This is not a current scent. And that smells amazing. So you get a wax bar that we don't have in banana leaf and bamboo. You get a sugar scrub in Luna. And one more thing in here is next month's scent of the month pod little wax sample. This is probably about 1 to 2 cubes at minimum. So let's smell that. Oh my gosh. This smells really good. Okay, I smell something. Pink coconut. That is amazing. So that will be next month's scent. Like I said, the box is $30. Let's count this out. I want to say hand soaps are $9, as well as the hand cream. This should be at least worth $1 minimum of wax. This sugar scrub is $12, and this is $6. So add that all up, and it's going to be more than $30. If you are interested in subscribing or just going on my website to order, I will add the link in the information below. These items inside here are going to be while supplies last. So you're going to want to jump on here and get one as soon as possible, because if they run out of, say, that Just Breathe hand soap, they will be replacing it with something else. So what comes inside this box is always a surprise. We don't know what's in it until someone gets one and shares it on Facebook. But if they do run out of an item, it will be substituted. So the earlier you get your Whiff Box, the more likely it's going to be what it's supposed to be. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you grab one and enjoy it. Bye now.